Merhaba arkadaşlar, öncelikle hepiniz hoş geldiniz. Bugün sizlerle geçtiğimiz günlerde yapmış olduğum bu ufaklığın arkadaşı olan 40649 numaralı dev Lego minifigürü setini inceleyeceğiz. Bir önceki videomda bahsetmiştim. Ben daha çok Speed Champions, Teknik, Ideas ve Icons setlerini yapıyorum. Ancak bu seti yaptıktan sonra bu minifigür setlerinde tamamını artık koleksiyonuma eklemeye karar verdim. Ve bunun da bir adım olarak bu seti satın alarak yapmaya karar verdim. Lego bu seti bizlere 654 parça olarak sunmuş. 654 parçayı da kutu içerisinde bizlere tam 5 farklı pakette sunuyor. Bu 5 farklı paket içerisinde birinci pakette setin gövdesini yapıyoruz. İkinci pakette ayaklarını, üçüncü pakette kollarını ve ellerini, dördüncü pakette kafasını, 5. pakette ise kafasının üzerindeki bu şapkayı yapıyoruz. Bu sette diğer setten farklı olarak setin şapkasının içerisinde bu arkadaşın normal minifigür hali var. Gördüğünüz gibi şurada. Hatta şurada kutunun önünde de görebilirsiniz. Bu şekilde normal minifigür boyutlarındaki hali var. Şimdi isterseniz sizlerin hızlandırılmış şekilde izleyeceği yapım aşamaları videosuna geçelim. Yapım aşamaları videosu tamamlandıktan sonra da set hakkındaki görüşlerimizi ve setin fonksiyonunu inceleyeceğimiz bir kısım da paylaşacağız sizinle. Videoyu izledikten sonra beğen butonuna basarsanız çok memnun oluruz. Bu bizim için önemli. Neden önemli? Çünkü beğen butonuna bastığınızda ve yorum yaptığınızda daha fazla kişiye ulaşıyor videolarımız. Şimdi sizlere iyi seyirler diliyorum.
Took a deal, sign another deal. Post up in the hills on the real, headed for a mill. Travel with me still, getting kills. All this pop appeal, got these pop stars try popping in, and they getting pop for real. I ain't tryna build, I was tryna lead a mill. Getting to it before I hopped up off the block. I was still going through it, friends doing pills, and came faster than it should've. I was Buddy Hill, shooting at a pace soon as I pull up, dropping buckets. Hey, yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen chopping onions, yeah. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming. Cause I'm dropping buckets, ay, yeah. Like it's nothing, ay. Earn my respect and burn a budget, ay. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming. Baby, yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Drop some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, this life I live's a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs, all my day ones and my family. My life gon' live through them if I end up in any tragedies. I hope y'all understand this shit got bigger cause it had to be. I always knew I had it, but just not at this capacity. I recognize the gravity, closer to the summit, stacking chips and counting nuggets. I've been stunting, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Hey, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, in the kitchen chopping onions. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming. Cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby. Cause I'm dropping buckets. Earn my respect and burn a budget. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets.
Swipe, swipe, swipe, swipe. Swipe, swipe, swipe, swipe, swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Swerving, making plays, put Ferrari red. Never out my zone, touchdown in my hands. Only fam around me, I can't have no friends. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. Ever since I was a teen, had prices on my head. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, ballpoint on the beat, ballpoint make them dance. Yeah, we came up from nothing, now we're making plans. Yeah, just picked up some bands, Tell her ask it questions when I come and grind. On the run like a runaway. Only way is the money way. New chain, no jewelry. No games, don't fool me. 21, been a boss. Play the game, pay the cost. Heard you rolling TikTok. Need to get another watch. Just picked up some bands, come again. what I do, I'm like Simon Says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon Says.
Wave. Me on the beat too. Look, yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it. She tapping it fast. I think that she know they be cashing it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow. What niggas they talk like they bad it. They know that we got it. They talk far from actual. I make the wave so tsunami. I dare you to paddle it. The trunk steady rattling. Blowing top tier to keep my thoughts clear. I see the opt in there, I'm on my shot, call a big boss. That never know the time, I'm never clocking in. Wildflower, I'm like Denzel, I've been the men on fire. I'm hot lava, you are not scarred, you are proudly. I'm a real to the cover seal. Heart chill from all this talking real. Recent life feel like a highlight reel. Currently thumbing through currency, I'm from the avenue, bitch, I'ma get it regardless. I told little baby to slide with that Lotus, pull up with the garden. My guard is down till you come around, trying to hold you some. Give a how you feel, I don't owe you nothing. Now you trying to make amends, I'm just trying to get the fortunes. Trying to cut my mama fortress. Pop might pull up in a Porsche. I used to be quiet, was timid. They used to catch me skipping courses. Now they snapping portrait. Hard head but never forced it. I got a pin it shine like it's supposed to. The way I deliver they posed to. My neck got a compass to know where we going. It sound like I'm stepping through portals. I'm off of that poison the devil be calling, but I just ignore it, hit for it. The task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it. Wave. The task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it. Wave, the task force told me God. Look, the way that I ball, I should've played for the Big Ten when I touched stage, but they packed in. Got a pretty thing to make a back bend. Let me see it all through the glass lens. Had some people try to snake if I see you. I'm teed up, might greet you with brass hands. Skate off fast, put a buck on the dash to somewhere vast. With my feet up, wait, hold up the label, just call me the tapping. They just cut the check, so I'm up in the slip. I take for J to the neck, then I stretch to start my day. I hit the cash dance. It's different now, I was down then, but that's all in the past tense. So I can't stop till I'm top 10, and I'm not 10. I'm so in love with the process. Not all in the day, but it took them some time to build wrong. I just caught the crib, never home. No, I can't keep a charge on the phone. So she thinks she in love with a ghost. When I'm home, I make sure that she get what she needs, so she know what I'm capable of. Know my rhythm could spar with the pros. They pay me to hear what I'm on, they ask what I'm on. I'm doing great, I suppose. Cause I get to do what I want, it's legit, but it sound like it's straight from the stove. They playing my tape in the field and they treat me like I'm making plays in the fort. Let her beat bang with a force. I'm a product to stay in the course, yeah. I watch my step on a tightrope. The rate going up at a high slope. I don't got no work-life balance. I'm never throwing the towel in. The pen game hella nice with it. The flow heavy like a hydrant. But it come with a patent, I'm laughing at badgering. All of them boys that won't bite it. I keep my center and shine like I'm supposed to. The way I deliver, they post to. I'm going somewhere you ain't seen on no atlas. It look like we stepping through portals. I'm off of the potion, the devil been calling, but I just ignored it for it. Task force told me go up. Okay, you asked for it.
Let's go way up, so high, so high, so high.
The task force told me go up.
So higher, I'm so higher, I'm so higher. Way up in the sky, way up in the sky, way up in the sky.
Look, I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. We in the field, but I'm in the end zone, no I can't lie. Good as a friend, but she in the friend zone. Look at the score. I'm sorry, little brother, you know you can't win. Like a knockout. I punch like take when I aim at his chin. So we in the back of the back. Last name Dripper, so you know I get drippy. You ain't on my side, ain't on my team. Yeah, I'm running the city. Don't gotta ask if it's with me. Yeah, I play the block like a Wimby. Shoot till it's empty, sticks in the back of the Bentley. Look, I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. You ain't on my team, just back it up. Like, oh, they want smoke, we gon' pack them up. Just look at the score and the time is up. I'm on where you gon' lose, better back it up. Pack it up. Like, oh, they want smoke, we gon' pack them up. Just look at the score and the time is up. I'm on where you gon' lose, better back it up. Yeah. Add it up, send me to work, I back it up. Zip, they mad as cause I get it back and I rack it up. Quick, Audemars, Hublot, Patek, Trent, Louis, luggage, Paris. I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. You want a spot, then take a shot, don't give a fuck about no miss. Give a fuck about no miss.
I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits, excuse me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. The crash came when the cash came, spend it before you get it like those rookies all on draft day. For the love like it's match game, hit the ground running, really do it for my last name. They act different when the facts change. I'm not with the tip for tat games. In my own league I don't chase game. In my own league I don't hang with lanes. I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits, excuse me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. Now how could that be? Talking about who can be talking about me. Feeling like Stretch where I got all this reach. Feeling too blessed when I step on these beats. Now how could that be? I could beat the pressure, I could beat the 2-3. Jab, jab, hook, then I duck and I weave. It was never you, it was me versus me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits, excuse me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. Batter up, get some, swinging for the fences, I might leave it in the sun. Every pitch a home run, stack a couple tickets just to leave it to my son. Take it back while I be gone. Small city kid, couldn't dream a bigger one. A marathon, never run. Check the scoreboard, how I'm feeling like I won. I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits, excuse me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me.
Evet arkadaşlar, tekrardan merhaba. Setimizi tamamladık. Gerçekten yine yapım aşamalarıyla ve günün sonunda ortaya çıkan modelle çok hoşuma giden bir set bu da. Öyle gözüküyor ki bundan sonra bütün minifigür setlerini satın alıp koleksiyonumuza ekleyeceğiz. Setin incelemelerine gelirsek, set diğer modelde olduğu gibi aynı şekilde ayakları birbirinden bağımsız şekilde hareket ettirebiliyoruz. Yine kolları da birbirinden bağımsız şekilde hareket edebiliyor. Elleri bu şekilde sağa sola çevirebiliyorsunuz. Kafası 360 derece dönebiliyor. Bu sette diğerinden farklı olarak bir şey daha var. Daha önce söylemiştim, bu setin şapkasının içerisinde bunun minifigür halini koymuşlar. Şöyle bir sanki bir vinç kullanıyormuş gibi de bir imaj yaratmışlar orada ekipmanlarla. Sanki bu set bunu kontrol ediyor gibi yapmışlar. Buradaki minifigürle bunu kontrol edebiliyoruz gibi bir izlenim oluşmuş. Bu da gerçekten güzel, şık bir şey olmuş. Evet, bu iki arkadaş hazır. Bundan sonra çıkacak diğer minifigür setlerini, dev minifigür setlerini de satın alıp koleksiyonuma eklemeyi düşünüyorum. Videomuzu beğendiyseniz beğen butonuna basarsanız çok memnun oluruz. Çünkü daha önce de videonun başında da söylediğim gibi bu bize şunu katıyor. Videoyu beğendiğiniz takdirde ve yorum yaptığınız takdirde videomuz daha fazla kişiye ulaşmış oluyor. Bizim için önemli bir konu. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın arkadaşlar. Videomuzu izlediğiniz için tekrar teşekkür ederim.